In Vietnam, you can enjoy a fantastic lifestyle at a fraction of the cost of living in a Western country. Today, I'll take you through Da Nang, Vietnam, and show you the cost of living here for our family of 4. Welcome to Da Nang, guys! Woo! First, let's check out our place. Renting will be your biggest expense. Let's visit our 2 bedrooms apartment. It's an Airbnb, so the utility bills are all included. Can you guess how much we pay for that? The price also includes 1 cleaning per week. Well, it's not located in a touristy zone, but the neighborhood is really secure. Everything inside was fine for our daily life. The apartment is well located. It's 2 minutes away from the local street food, restaurants, and coffee shops. Also the best, it's 5 minutes away from a beach. Look at that. As a family of 4, our Airbnb costs $427. The price includes all the utilities. We got lucky because usually they will tell you to pay it separately, the electricity, and it costs around $50 per month. Next, let's talk about transportation. We are averaging $100 per month on Grab and delivery fees. We are not big fans of motorcycles, but if you plan to stay here longer, it will be more economical to buy one. Let's hit the local market, the cheapest place for groceries.
1 kilo.
Markets can be busy but fun, and you can get so many things. You can also go to supermarkets. We are spending around $200 per month, and that includes eating out. Eating out is very affordable here. Vietnamese meals cost between $1 and $3 US. Now I'm in a Michelin Guide restaurant, and this meal, Mi Quan, cost me $2 US. The drinks are usually really affordable. I took this tamarind juice for 60 cents US. So you can eat out every meal without spending much. If you want to eat more Western food, of course you're gonna spend more than that. For fitness, free outdoor gyms are common. Yeah, I love it. We were just there to enjoy the beach. You can also treat yourself to a $2 head massage. We've been traveling for a year now. It's hard to find this quality of life for such a low cost. If you have questions about living in Vietnam, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.